Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. As you can tell, I have these little wave formers in my hair and I'm about to take these out. I've been wanting to try this. I've seen it all over Instagram and YouTube, so yeah. I've tried the curl formers by the Curl Former company and I liked them, but the problem, I guess, would be that it would like shrink my hair. So it was cool for smoothing it out and everything, and it was fun, but I'm excited about this because it's gonna smooth out my hair and also lengthen it in a sense. So it's kind of exciting, will be interesting to see. These are not by the Curl Former company. I got these off of eBay. They're like dupes, I guess. If you want to see how I actually put these in my hair, super easy, what hair products I put in my hair and the results, then keep on watching. Don't mind me because I am a little under the weather, so if my voice sounds weird, just disregard that. I'm fresh out of the shower and I have this little t-shirt towel on and ooh, my hair is washed and I just have it parted in 4 sections, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. There is absolutely nothing in my hair. There's no leave-in conditioner, oil, cream, nothing other than it's still damp from my shower. The only product that I'm gonna be using in my hair is this texturizing setting lotion, and it's by Lotta Body. I'm gonna be using these little wave forming tools. They're similar to the curl formers, the little spirals, but these are waves. This is a pack of 12 of these little wave forming tools. They are the 45 centimeter length. I actually ordered 4 packs of these, so I have a total of 48. I don't think that I'm actually gonna be using all 48, we'll see. But I would rather have more than not enough in case some break or whatever. I purchased these on eBay and I actually ordered them March 21st and I received them April 1st. So it was really fast. It was about like a week and a half maybe. Each pack was $4.39 to be exact. And I got 4 packs, so it was like $17 and some change, and with shipping it was a total of almost $20. I want to say $19.50, around there. So it was really inexpensive, and I'll check the link of where I got them to make sure that they're still available, and I will link that down below. If it's not, then I'll find another link and link those for you. So like I said, each pack comes with the 12 of these, and it comes with a little rod like this. Okay, so there's a top piece, an end piece, and the middle piece. Okay. Okie dokie, so it's connected. So I'm just gonna open up this end of this wave forming tool and slide this wand through, and voila, easy peasy. So I went ahead and opened the other packs and just got these rods put together as well. So I'm gonna start in the back. I'm sectioning off a small portion of the bottom. I'm gonna get some of my little setting lotion. I've never used this before. It smells interesting. So I'm just gonna put that in my hair. little too much. All right, so it's nice and saturated. I'm just gonna grab my Tangle Teezer and just comb through this section real quick. Make sure it's smooth. I'm gonna grab this and hook it at the root. So I did kind of twist it a little bit, if you can see. Hook it there. Pull this in, pull the wand out, and that's it. Got the first one in. That was pretty easy. I have my last one to go, and it is the 48th one. I didn't think I was gonna use them all, but I guess so. So I'm gonna put my setting lotion. Feels like a mousse or something. I'll go ahead and detangle and smooth it out with my Tangle Teezer brush. Twist the root so that way I can hook this wand, and then I just put it all the way at the root. Pull my hair through, and that's it. This in total took about an hour and a half. I think I could have gone faster, but I was getting distracted. I probably could have got it done in an hour, but an hour and a half to me is not that bad. Yeah, so 48 wave formers. I wish I had got them a little bit longer because some of my hair would kind of peek through. So in order to fix that, like I would hold it and stretch it out, and then like the hair would kind of slip through, and it's fine. But you know, for the best, absolute best results, I should have got them just a little bit longer, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll see how it turns out in the morning. I am gonna sleep in these, so hopefully I can. See you in the morning. Okay. So just an update. I did sleep in these, and it was hard at first. Like initially I slept on my stomach, and I was kind of like at an angle, like on my face on the pillow, and these were like on the side. But then at one point I ended up sleeping like on the back, and I was fine, was able to sleep, but not the best, but it was fine. Let's go ahead and just start taking these out and see what we're working with. So I'm just gonna squeeze the top here and then just pull it out. Oh, huh. Oh, wow. Look. Why am I shocked every time one comes out? Whoa. I'm in shock. I was like prepared, ready with my pick to give it some volume. Put some oil, there we go, to smooth that out a little bit. Okay guys, so this is it. What do you think? Personally, I really like it. I'm not sure how long it'll last. And even if it just lasts for one day, I'll be happy. Wow. Let me know your thoughts if you think that this is a pass or a fail. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you're gonna try these, if you're gonna buy them for yourself. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.